In this video, I will show you how you can get a virtual assistant. So a virtual assistant can save you a lot of time and they can do pretty much anything you want for you as long as they have some experience with it. So it's important to hire the correct person. It doesn't matter if you want them to answer emails for you or to make phone calls, edit documents or do simple data entry. Whatever you need a virtual assistant for, here is how you can find one. So to do this, I personally use Upwork. Upwork is a great platform in order to hire virtual assistants for as low as $3 per hour. So to do this, simply go to upwork.com and click get started. Now here you want to select I am a client hiring for a project, and for me it logs me in automatically because I already have an account, but you simply want to sign up and it's very easy. Now once you have created your account, you want to click on post a job right here. So posting a job is very easy. Now you want to choose if you need a virtual assistant for the long term or for the short term. So long term means more than 30 hours a week or will be longer than 3 months, and this will be shorter than 3 months. I will select longer. Now you can click continue. Now here write a title for your job post. So for example, looking for a virtual assistant to do, and then whatever you need them to do. So for example, if you need the person to answer emails, then you want to say looking for a virtual assistant to answer emails. So just write something right here that has to do with what you need the virtual assistant for. If you need them for a lot of stuff, then you just want to enter some keywords and at least say that you need a virtual assistant. So when you write looking for a virtual assistant, under the job category, it will immediately say some categories. So you have general virtual assistants, which is what I need, but you can also choose data entry or email, phone and chat support. You can also see all right here, and then you can choose whatever you need. So they have a bunch of different categories. Now I'm going to choose general virtual assistants, since for me I need someone that does a lot of different things. So then click next skills. Now this is an important category. Here you need to enter the skills that your person needs. So for me it's of course virtual assistants. Now I will say email communication, data entry, scheduling and personal administration. Now you can add more and search for skills as well right here. For example, if they need to do, you can search for design right here. And now right here you have some general virtual assistance tools. So here you have tools, and if your person needs to be able to use one of these tools, then you can select that right here. So for example, if your virtual assistant needs to be good at Canva and CapCut, they can add those, and for example ChatGPT as well, and then those will be added as skills as well. Then you have virtual assistant focus, so for example social media account setup, real estate, digital marketing. If none of these apply, just go and skip this. Then you have general virtual assistant skills, so light bookkeeping, form development, light project management, file maintenance, whatever. Then you have general virtual assistant services, so draft correspondence, presentations, manage e-commerce site, whatever you need. I'm going to click next scope right here. So how long will your work take? I'm looking for somebody on the long term, and I'm going to say more than 6 months. Now what level of experience will it need? So if you're looking for someone who is relatively new to this field, select entry. This is probably where you will get the lowest prices, although if you are looking for someone with a bit of experience, select intermediate, but you can also choose expert, but then you will pay top price. I usually select intermediate, and I look for people who have already done a little bit of work on Upwork and have gotten some positive reviews. Now is this job a contract to hire opportunity? I will say no, not at this time. Now click next budget. So there's two types of budgets you can set, either an hourly rate or a fixed price. So I will set an hourly rate from $3 to $5. And there are a bunch of people who will do this for $3 per hour, although it's really important to find a good person, so paying a little bit more, for example $5 per hour, can be worth it. So then click next description. Now in my opinion this is the most important part. Here you need to write exactly what you want the person to do for you and what you expect of them. You can also attach any files if necessary. So here just gonna write out their daily tasks and what you want them to do for you. Make this as detailed as possible, and what I usually do is I edit my description with something like start your proposal, so that's when they apply for the job they send a proposal to you. I'll write something like start your proposal with the word whatever, for example blue, and then if they don't write blue, you know that they didn't read your description right here, and that's basically a big red flag. And then you can only look at the applications of people who selected blue because they read your entire description and they think that they can do the job. So just write your description right here and then click on review job post right here. And now here make sure that everything is correct, and if it is, go and click on post this job, and once you have posted the job, I'll show you where you can find people that have applied. So in the Upwork home screen you can see your jobs right here, and right here you will see, for example for this one, you have one new proposal, so then you can click review proposals, and here it will take you to review proposals and you will see people that have proposed to your job. Now from these two people, the one that I would look at first is this one right here, because he has 10k plus earned on Upwork and he has 100% job success and the top rated badge. This person has $0 earned, so you're not sure if this person is good at what they do. Now you can also invite freelancers right here, so then you can invite people who have these skills that you need on their profile. So simply click invite to job right here, and if you have found a good person, then you can actually go and hire that person. Now usually you will first send a message to them, and you can see that in messages right here. So then if you want to hire, for example this person, you can click on send offer, and now here you can send an offer, you can add milestones, do whatever you want. So just find a person that does exactly what you want them to do, and of course you need to train them a little bit because they won't know exactly what you require of them. So take some time to vet, to actually show the freelancer what you expect of them and what you want them to do every single day, and that way you can find a good virtual assistant. So now you know how to get a virtual assistant. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.